Has a debt collector threatened to seize your property? Hi, I'm consumer protection attorney Bill Clanton, and I've helped hundreds of consumers deal with debt collection harassment, inaccurate credit reporting, and other consumer-related matters. In this video, I'm going to talk about debt collectors when they threaten to seize your property. What does it mean to have property seized? That means taken from you. Whether it's a car being repossessed, or your wages being garnished, or any other kind of property. Debt collectors like to threaten to seize property or come and get your stuff or to repossess a vehicle. And this can be illegal. A debt collector can only threaten to repossess your property or seize your property or otherwise take your property if they have the legal right to take it, and if they intend to take it. If they don't have the legal right to take it, that's a violation. If they do not intend to take it, if they're just making threats that they don't intend to carry out, that's a violation of the law. Now, if they take your property without having the right to do it, that's another violation. So there are three ways that a debt collector can violate the law when they threaten to or they do seize or repossess your property. That is, threatening and not meaning to, not having the right to do it at all and threatening to do it, or actually doing it without the right to do it. Also, when it comes to repossessions in Texas can be done non-judicially. That means that Texas law doesn't require a debt collector to go to court to get an order to be able to repossess something. They can just go and take something as long as they do not breach the peace. It's a legal term, breach of the peace. How do they breach the peace? They bring a police officer out. If you try to intervene in the repossession, that's a breach of the peace. If they repossess a vehicle and you're inside of that vehicle, that's a breach of the peace. If they disturb the peace, that's a breach of the peace. That's why lots of these repo agents come at night. They have stealthy trucks. They have very quiet equipment so they can not disturb the peace or breach the peace. Dealing with debt collectors is hard. When one threatens to take your property, it makes it even harder. If a debt collector's threatening you and they don't have the right to, or they don't intend to, or if they've taken your property without the right, then I want to turn the tables on that debt collector for you. The FDCPA is the law that protects regular folks, consumers like me and you, from aggressive debt collectors. It says you can get your actual damages, your statutory damages, your attorney's fees and costs paid by a debt collector who breaks the law. That means no FDCPA lawyer should charge you any fees or any costs up front. They only get paid at the end of the case if it is successfully resolved. That means you shouldn't pay anything unless you win against a debt collector. If you're dealing with debt collection harassment, give us a call. My number's at the end of this video and in the description below. Thanks for watching.